How to recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Once you're on this page, navigate to top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji icon. Once you land on this page again, navigate to top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Now under settings, scroll down and at the very end under account action section, you will find an option that says My Data just above logout option. Tap on My Data. Here it says data available for download. Scroll down a bit. Now you have to select the data that you would like to include. First of all, it says export your memories or chat, so you can turn on that toggle as well. Scroll down a bit and there you get to choose the option, and once you're done with that, tap on next. Now you have to confirm your email. If that's your preferred email, you can simply tap on submit, or you can change that email. Just above that, you can select the date range if you like to export data from a specific date range. Once you're done, tap on submit. And once the data is available, or if the copy of files is available, you can simply download it from here and you can view all your deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat. So that's how you can do it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.